Are you an entrepreneur living in the greater Pittsburgh area who wants to start a business within the next few years? We did some research on the cost and availability of real estate, population statistics, crime and safety indicators, and other meaningful metrics relative to starting a business in the Pittsburgh area. Here are the top 3 neighborhoods in Pittsburgh to start a business in right now. In no particular order, here they are. The first neighborhood we want to highlight is Lower Lawrenceville. This area is home to 2,300 people who have a median household income of $87,000. The crime and safety rating, according to niche.com, is C+, which is above average in the Pittsburgh area. The median price of real estate in this neighborhood is $384,000. The second neighborhood I want to highlight is the Strip District. This area is home to nearly 1,400 people who have a median household income of over $105,000. The crime and safety rating is just below Lower Lawrenceville with a C rating. The median price of real estate in the neighborhood is $472,000. The Strip District also has the greatest proximity to numerous emergency services. Last but not least, let's take a look at East Liberty. This area is home to over 6,000 people who have a median household income of nearly $46,000. The crime and safety rating is a C+, which is once again above average in the Pittsburgh area. The median price of real estate in the neighborhood is $306,000. Those are the 3 best neighborhoods in Pittsburgh to start a business right now. Follow the Duquesne University Small Business Development Center for more videos like this one.